Hey girl, hey, it's Diamond Mine and welcome back to the channel. So today we got this wig here from MyFirstWig. This is their 13x6 lace frontal wig. It looks hella crazy right now, I know. But this wig is going to transform into something so cute. So this is their 13x6 lace frontal wig, and the texture on this wig is a Yaki texture. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. Now, one thing I will say is the hairline on this wig was plucked a good amount, but I'm not going to complain because I do like for my hairline to be a little bit on the thin side. So nevertheless though, we're going to get into it and we're going to talk about it. So of course I'm going to go ahead and start off with the basics, which you girls already know is cutting out this lace child and trying to make the lace blend into the skin and make sure it's secured. So I'm going to start off with parting the wig, and like I just mentioned, this wig does come with, a little bit more of a plucked hairline than most wigs, but I'm going to finesse that later in this video. So I'm just going to make sure I secure the wig first before I go into styling. Okay girls, so now that I pretty much smoothed out the hairline, I'm able to see exactly what I am working with. So like I said in the beginning, the front of the hair is a little over plucked, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and blend that into this part so that you don't even know that this wig has a over plucked hairline, in my opinion. So I'm going to push all of the hair back, and then I'm going to pull out some baby hairs on the lower end of my hairline. So I did notice that once I pull the baby hairs out, kind of like below the middle part, the hairline isn't over plucked, and that's honestly a good thing. But I do wish that I would have went in and plucked the hairline just a little bit so that I can get more of a scalp look. But anyways, I'm gonna make it work. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller flat iron, because my bigger flat iron was actually making the bump in this wig just super tight. So I'm just going to use like a smaller flat iron to get into those small areas. So as you can see, the wig has definitely transformed. So to make this wig look just a little bit better, I'm going to go in with some concealer to emphasize the part, of course. Now, because this wig did come with, I believe, an over plucked hairline, I am going to go in with a dark, like gray away marker and kind of tint the hairs a little bit, just to fill in like the gap looks where the hairline may look a little over plucked. So just a really quick easy fix. So I finally found my bigger flat iron, so now I'm going to go in and flat iron the hair a little bit more just to make sure everything is straight. Now this texture is on the Yaki side, so you girls already know I love this texture because it's going to keep my wig more on a fuller side instead of like that super straight silky wig texture. So anyways, yeah, this is pretty much the look that I came up with. This is a 10-inch bob, but I want to say it is also a asymmetrical bob as well, because one side of the wig is longer than the other. So I'm just going in on the short side just to clean it up. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this asymmetrical 10-inch Yaki bob wig from MyFirstWig, I'll have all of the details below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.